Still loading slowly. Loading slowly. Aha, we're now live on YouTube. Okay, now I'm looking at Mr. Robertson's paperwork right now on my screen. Mr. Robertson, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. All right. Is your name Jeremy Robertson?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen in my case cause number.
Okay. Are you the same Jeremy Robertson who in this cause number 2025 CR 001086 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm sorry. The state isn't out here. He's still in the conferring with Michael Collins.
Man. Oh, man.
We don't need them.
Yeah. Mr. Robertson, I can't do this without the prosecutor being in the meeting. Just hold on. We have to start over again.
Okay.
That's why I get when the bailiff starts hurrying me up because the bailiff wants to get out of here. Okay.
You know, a lot of people seem to forget that George W. Bush was governor of the state of Texas for 2 terms before he was president for 2 terms. So I'll throw that in there.
I remember that.
I do too. And then it was Ann Richards before that.
I do remember Ann Richards before that. Okay. Deputy, I don't want to let you stand there. Let's have you have a seat and then we'll get you up when we're ready for you. Okay? Tell the deputies I said just have a seat. Let me stop this show right now.
Again?
Oh.
Judge, why did they resend that Gerard guy for the
What?
bonds?
I'm sorry, what did we what?
They resent Gerard guy from yesterday on the bonds. I just wanted to know why.
Okay, this is out the bond docket, Senate?
Yeah, so it was from yesterday. I just didn't know why it was resent.
I have no idea. You'll have to talk to Maria. Or maybe Renee
Okay.
would know.
Okay,
'Cause I
I'll
don't know.
ask her.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just a judge, okay? I know nothing. Oh. Okay, Mr. Alfred, I was about ready to take a plea without you. All right. So then, can I get Mr. Robertson back in front of the camera? Deputy.
You're on the way, Judge.
No, Mr. Robertson's right there. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Robertson, I had previously sworn you in. So let's do this again. Is your name Jeremy Robertson?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Jeremy Robertson who in this cause number 2025 CR 001086 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
This case, it's listed here as a Class A, but I believe it's a Class B misdemeanor. Is that right, Mr. Alfred?
I have Class A, Judge.
Is that have it? So it's
It's an A. It's an A. I put the wrong. It's an A. It's a home.
It was a home.
Yes.
Okay, no, you put the right one then. This usually that's the B, so I thought it was
Right.
it would be.
This one's
All
an
right.
A.
This is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, I did, and I'd like to enter the plea of guilty when we get to
Okay,
that.
I'm sorry. Just got to ask you these questions, and you got to answer the questions before I can do that. Okay.
Okay, yes, we're moving over
You
the
go over this
document.
document with your attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did she explain the document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was tell me this: Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay. Your paperwork says no contest. So
Right.
do
Can you
want
change
to
that?
change that, or do you want to just stick with the no contest?
No, he wants to plead guilty.
He wants to plead guilty? Okay,
Yes.
Sunlight, can
Yes,
you
sir.
change that plea from no contest to guilty?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll reflect that. So hold on. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea
No, Your Honor.
besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, anyone promises something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you know what? I'm not sharing my screen either. I'm sorry. So, are you doing this plea then of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide if there is?
Yes, Judge. It is a $0 fine. Court costs 26 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Livingston? Brenda?
Yes.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Robertson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Robertson, the court having heard you plead guilty. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 26 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Livingston?
I believe so.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay? Good luck to you.
Thank
Safe travels.
you, Your Honor.
Okay, so then Brenda, it's good to see you.
Yeah.
You didn't have a voucher here, so get a hold of Rennie and have him send you a voucher so I can pay you on this case.
There's no
okay?
voucher on there?
There's a systemic problem. None of the cases that today had vouchers on them.
Okay.
So he will,
I'll
if
get
he
it
doesn't
resent to
send
you.
you one, have him send you one, okay?
Did you hear that, Rennie?
I'm sorry?
I'm
Yes, I did.
asking him if he heard you say that.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay,
He's heard me
great.
say it all
Thank
morning
you.
long. I'm tired of hearing me say it.
Okay, so happy Groundhog Day, everyone. It's Sunday if you're
I didn't know it was a Groundhog Day. Did they
No?
see a shadow?
Well, it's Sunday. We have to wait and see.
Oh. Okay, so then what do we got left here? Do I
Bye,
have?
y'all.
Bye. See ya.
We just have one plea, Judge, with Michael Collins. I believe the paperwork's coming through.
That's
Or
on
he-
Melendrez. I
Yes,
don't
Judge.
have the paperwork on my screen
Okay.
yet.
He's still going over it with his client. But that's the last one.
Man almighty, this has been so much fun. God, can't
You
begin to
know
tell
you're
you.
enjoying yourself.
Sorry, what happened to Eric Kelly
What happened to Eric Kelly?
on page 5?
The judge, I'm sorry, the attorney conferred. They had no agreement. It's being sent back to County Court 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Percy Harrison, was that sent back as well? No agreement? I think so. Well, we'll go over
Yeah.
the
Oh,
docket.
oh, yes, it was, Judge, with Albert. I'm sorry, Joseph Acevedo. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Is there a way to figure it out? And do it bigger. It could be the same info that I have already on probation. Okay.
Valverde,
Yes, sir.
are you need to talk to Melendez?
I don't know. Is probation on the, I don't know if
They-
are they even offered
they-
probation?
They had those probation icons, so I don't know if y'all were doing them or not.
Let me ask, Mr. Alford,
Sorry, what was that?
are they offering probation?
Yes.
Still gonna say the same.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Oh,
I
that's
didn't know.
the icing on the cake.
It's yeah, it's all going concurrent with a bunch of felonies except for some restitution on this one.
It's like pie a la mode with the
Thanks
a la
for
mode
the
on
heads
at the
up,
very end.
Ramirez.
Yeah, thanks, Austin.
I know. Which case is being offered probation?
It's the first one on page 2, Neil Melendrez.
Neil Melendrez, okay, it's gonna be a probation case. I just got the paperwork up on my screen. So hold on 1 minute.
The 2024?
Is going to
Okay.
be regular probation or deferred, Austin?
Regular.
Thank you.
What even?
Okay,
was-
Mr. Melendrez, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Is your name Neil Raymond Melendrez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Neil Melendrez who in this cause number 2024 CC 737-843, who's charged with the offense of theft of property of something had a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. You a U.S. citizen.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of theft of property as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Judge. It is a $350 fine, fully probated, court costs, 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated over 16 months of community supervision, 50 hours of community service, the ATSE course, a no contact order with the complainant, Jesus de Leon, $950 in restitution paid to that same complainant, and all of the terms except the restitution are to run concurrent with his felonies.
Okay, is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Collins?
Yes, Your Honor. I would
agree?
like to give court one of those felony case numbers that he's on probation for, though, to be specific.
Okay,
2022 CR 3934.
okay,
It's a 5-year probation, Your Honor.
okay. And you agree with this, Mr. Melendez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Melendez, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a fully probated $350. Let's see, where am I? Fine. I sentence you to court costs. I sentence you to 16 months. I'm sorry, I sentence you to 1 year
1 year.
or 365 days. I'm sorry, probated for 16 months. I assess 50 hours of community service as a condition of your probation. Make it a condition of your probation that you make restitution, $950. And have no contact with Jesus de Leon. Now, this will be conditions. Yeah, it's conditions run concurrent, right?
Correct, Your Honor.
With cause number 2022 CR 3934. Right?
That's correct,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Okay, I didn't put the restitution. I didn't put Jesus de Leon's name in it, but I think they can figure that out. Can't they not? All right.
Also, was there a class before you signed that? Was there a
Oh,
class,
an
Austin?
ATSC class. There was an ATSC class. Thank you. Okay, I think I got everything there. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You need to talk to the probation officer.
Yeah, yes, Judge, I'll have to talk to him.
Okay, so tell the deputies that you need to talk to the probation officer. Okay.
Okay. I'll go wherever the guys tell me to go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm on my way and I'm getting the paperwork done.
Okay, and Mr. Collins, thank you. Sorry
Thank you.
to keep you here all
Thank you.
day long.
Not a problem, Your Honor. Always a pleasure.
Okay, Angelise, you are free to go walk around the country now.
All right, magic words. Turn off.
Magic words off of live.